I'm out here at the wetland, which is very full from all the rains, and the overflow is stopped up. So I'm going to check that out. Red-winged blackbirds are not happy. Let's see if I can find the overflow. There it is. It's probably up about 4 inches higher than it should be, so clear that out and get it going. Well, I trimmed down these cattails and pulled away some debris from the edges, and it's really flowing now. I keep pulling this stuff away, it just sucks it down. This is a restored wetland. There used to be one wetland here long, long ago, before settlers drained everything. And so now, quite a few places in the watershed, they're restoring these wetlands by breaking the artificially drained soil that's drained with tiles under the ground. If you break those up, the wetlands come back. But there are these overflows just to make sure it doesn't go into too high onto neighbors' property and things like that. So it's not quite the real thing, but it's pretty darn good. This debris on the edges, really gurgling. It's finally clearing out. If you look up here, there's the remains of an old muskrat house. There's another one across the way there. I'll try to clear this out, keep going back to it until it's flowing freely.